Good morning guys, in front of me is POCO F8 Pro and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first, open your phone dialer and that's the panel in which we will be entering the codes. The first one is *pound 06 pound. This is the quickest one, the shortest one, and it will provide you with kind of necessary device information like IMEI and serial number assigned to this phone. Tap on OK to exit. And another code that you can use is *pound 4636 pound*. And here you've got the testing panel in which you can check phone information for both SIM cards and also Wi-Fi details. So under phone info you will find IMEI number, phone number if your SIM card is included, current network, signal strength, voice service, voice network type, and so on. Here you can run a ping test. Here you'll get the results, and it's all the same for CMD second. And under Wi-Fi details you will be able to check Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. So that's it for this one. Another code is *pound 225 pound*. And here you've got the calendar info. So in this panel, all upcoming events from every calendar that is connected with your device will be displayed. So you will not forget about any of them if only you use this code. And the last code that I would like to show you today is *pound 426 pound*. And here you've got the FCM diagnostic panel in which you can check events and status. Tap on more icon, mark advanced view, and here you've got all the details. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.